What's up? This is Yuda for BeatLab. We got a free Ableton template for you that will help you make sure that when you program MIDI clips, everything's in key. Just a trick you can do with Ableton with the fold button. So let's check out how to do it manually and show you how to use the template. And you can check out the link in the video description for the free download. Let's check it out. So here in Ableton, if you create a MIDI clip, and then you input some notes, and then you hit the fold button, it will only show you the notes that are being used inside that clip. So what we can do is, we can actually put in all the notes. Let's put the notes for C major, for example, and I'm gonna duplicate it octave higher and duplicate it octave lower. And then if we hit the fold button, it only shows us the notes in key, in C major. So what we can do is we can actually select all the notes with Command or Control A, hit the left arrow key to take it outside of the clip, now hit the fold button, and now we can just scroll back into the clip so we don't even have to see those notes, and now we have a scaled clip. So this clip only shows us the notes in C major, so when we put in some notes, we make sure everything is in key. So we made a template for you, including all the keys, major and minor, and all the modes as well. So right here in my computer, I actually created a folder. You can just create a folder anywhere on your computer and add that folder to your Ableton browser. So here it's called templates, and the file you're gonna download is gonna be called scaled clips. You can put it inside that new folder you created called templates. If I open up the scaled clips, here I have scales, I can open that up. Here I have all the different types of scale, including pentatonic scales and even the modes. So let's open up, for example, major. And then you can choose a key, let's say E. I'm going to drag it inside here. And if I double click, we're going to see that this clip is already scaled and is giving us only the notes in E major. So check it out. Check out the link in the video description, free download from our blog. You get also all the description of what I just described in the video, just step by step, how to set it up, how to install it, and how to use it. Hope you like it. That's it.